Blood. It's a very important thing that us humans rely very heavily on. It transports oxygen, nutrients, and is the very life essence that brings life into us humans. But you'd think something this valuable would have entire galactic fleets fighting over it, like the Empire chasing down the last Jedi. Although we may not have Jedis to protect our bodies, we have something more feasible, a valiant defense force called the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is the part of our body that defends our bloodstreams from harm. The lymphatic system contains the spleen, tonsils, thymus, and the Peyer's patches. Each of these organs plays a crucial role in protecting us. So what exactly do they do? Think of these as the Avengers of the body. But instead of stopping Thanos or Loki, they stop cancer cells and harmful bacteria that tries to infiltrate and take over our bodies. Come to think of it, I guess they do share some similarities. Now, what exactly do the organs of the lymphatic system do? Well, they make sure our blood volume levels and blood pressure stay stable while filtering all of the blood in our entire body. But how does it check every single drop? I give you the lymph nodes. These bad boys make TSA pre-check look like a joke. They filter 20 liters a day, and there are over 600 nodes in our body. Now, in the case that there was a cancer cell or bad guy that was detected in one of these nodes, the body alerts the lymphocytes who find the cancer cell and take it out. In the meantime, the lymphocytes are found in the loose reticular connective tissue. Try saying that 5 times fast. While all this filtering is happening, blood in the streams will occasionally force plasma added to the arterioles, which are small blood vessels in the microcirculation that extends and leads to capillaries. Because of this, out of the whopping 20 liters of blood circulated, only 17 liters end up in the bloodstream. Unfortunately, there is no lost and found department of your body, so the body has to handle the recovery process itself. So what happens to this loss of blood? Well, the plasma gets abruptly kicked out of the bloodstream, but is almost immediately picked up by the lymphatic capillaries. The lymphatic capillaries have these roofing tile-like valves that open up to suck up the soon-to-be lymph, and once the capillary is full, we can finally call it lymph. Then it culturally gets accepted and goes to the nodes to get segregated once again into one of the 2 ducts. The right duct grabs the lymph from the top right of the body, and the left duct grabs the entire rest of the body, because why not? To collect this lymph, there are these vessels that are one-way tickets to these ducts, and they work very similar to veins. They have low pressure, valves, and smooth muscle. Now, this is very cool. I mean, we recover 3 liters of blood. But if you really just think about what I just said, that is half of your entire blood volume, which is super freaky to think about. Overall, the lymphatic system is so important to our body, and it's basically the backstage crew making everything possible. So while the lymphatic system may not get as much attention as the heart or the lungs or even the cranium, it's working behind the scenes 24/7 to defend us and keep us alive. Pretty cool, right?